everyone! Today, we will be doing the experiment number 4, which is the law of conservation of matter or mass. So the objective of our experiment is to study the law of conservation of matter in relation to mass before and after a chemical reaction. So let's get started. Always put in mind that in any chemical or physical reaction, matter or mass cannot be created nor destroyed. It can only change form. Now, I will demonstrate the concept of the law of conservation of matter. We will need a beaker or a glass cup as an alternative. We will also need baking soda and vinegar. Here, I already put the vinegar in a glass container. Now, here is the balance equation of the reaction of sodium bicarbonate or the baking soda and the acetic acid or the vinegar. The mass of the system, which is the beaker and the test tube, is 229.25 grams. Now, let us put the glass container containing the vinegar inside the glass cup. The acetic acid inside the glass container will increase its mass into 253.84 grams. In order for us to know the mass of the acetic acid, we need to subtract 229.25 from 253.84 grams. Thus, the mass of our acetic acid is 24.59 grams. Now, let us put the sodium bicarbonate or the baking soda into the glass container. Adding sodium bicarbonate into the system will result to the increase of mass to 254.83 grams. In order for us to get the mass of sodium bicarbonate, we need to subtract 253.84 grams from 254.83 grams. Thus, the mass of our sodium bicarbonate is 0.99 grams. Carbon dioxide gas bubbles out of the open system and is released to the surroundings. So, the mass is lost from the beaker but conserved by being released to the surroundings. After a few minutes, we can now determine the final mass of our carbon dioxide released. In order for us to get the final mass of our carbon dioxide, we need to subtract 254.36 grams from 254.84 grams. Thus, our final mass for our carbon dioxide released is 0.48 grams. To sum it all up, the mass remains the same before the reaction and after. A chemical reaction takes place when vinegar and baking soda are mixed. One of the new substances formed is carbon dioxide gas. The carbon dioxide gas bubbles out of the open system is released to the surroundings. So, the mass is lost from the beaker but conserved by being released to the surroundings. That would be all, and I hope you learned something. Thank you and goodbye.